To view a statement of report for a particular account, the user must navigate to the Accounting menu and click on the Reports submenu and select Statement of Account option. A form will appear where the user can enter the search criteria to generate statement for any account. The user should begin by selecting the business unit from the drop-down. Then the period for which the statement should be generated has to be selected by entering the From date, which allows the user to select previous months and years. Then, select the To date as per the reporting requirement. Once done, select the account for which the statement to be generated. Here we are selecting VAT on purchase account. These accounts can be selected by entering the account number either in full or in part. Accordingly, the statement will fetch the relevant result. Then select the currency to be filtered. If no currency is selected, then the data for all the currencies will be shown. This is a generic function across reporting. If no values specified for a field, then all the values will be considered. Now select the cost center when available. Options provided to include basic currency and preferred currency in the report. But first, let's generate the report without basic or preferred currencies. Once all the search criteria are entered, click on the search option provided at the bottom right of the page. The system will generate the Statement of Account report for the selected account, VAT on purchase. Now let us generate the same report, including basic and preferred currency. Click on the search criteria and select the checkboxes given to select basic and preferred currencies. Now click on Search option. The system will generate the report, including basic and preferred currency. The report mainly shows the debit, credit, and balance figures for basic, preferred, and transaction currencies. This makes reconciliation and multi-currency analysis straightforward, giving the finance team full visibility across all currency layers. By default, 10 entries will be displayed per page. Users can navigate to the next page or adjust the pagination setting to display more entries on the same page, depending on their preference. A column visibility option is also provided, allowing users to customize which columns are shown in the report. Simply check or uncheck any column to tailor the reports as needed. The report generated can be exported in Excel file or PDF format. Also, an option to print the generated report is also provided with which the user can print the report. If the user wishes to change the search criteria, they can simply click on the search criteria option again to update their inputs. So, the Statement of Account reports in QuikBills is a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use reporting tool that gives the user full visibility into every debit, credit, and balance movement for any account, across any time period, in any currency.